Hi, I'm Tim with AutoZone. Today we're talking about emergency preparedness. Roadside emergencies can happen at any moment, so it's important to keep your vehicle stocked with all the tools that you may need to stay on the road and be safe. Need help building your emergency kit? We'll cover 3 guides to give you an idea of what to include.
The bare necessities. First, you want to look at your basic tools. You want a good screwdriver set that's going to have not just Phillips, but flathead screwdrivers in it, a good set of pliers and vice grips as well. As far as a tire pressure gauge goes, you're going to want a good tire pressure gauge that has large numbers to be able to look at, and then a wrench as well. You're also going to want a flashlight with a high lumen output, preferably 2,000 lumens or more. Gloves to do the job of working on the spare tire or anything around the vehicle. You're also going to want to make sure that your spare tire and jack system and lug wrench are all working and in proper order, and that your spare tire does have the adequate air pressure that it needs. As far as a reflective triangle goes, you can use the reflective triangle if it's provided by the manufacturer in the trunk. You can also purchase a reflective triangle or use road flares, anything to alert motorists that you're on the side of the road. An empty gas can comes in extreme handy here, especially if you run out of gas. Jumper cables are also a necessity, so make sure you grab a good set of jumper cables as well. Also, there is a total emergency kit that you can purchase at AutoZone that carries all the other necessities that you need. The better safe than sorry kit. First off, we have a lithium-ion battery charging pack. No need to flag someone down to jump your car with jumper cables. A lithium-ion battery pack provides you instant power to jump your vehicle. A portable tire inflator. This is a quick fix to the next gas station and can help on a low-filled tire. Headlamp. Oftentimes, when working on a vehicle, you need something more than a flashlight, and a headlamp comes in handy to give you hands-free. A first aid kit can provide everything that you would need in an emergency situation with another occupant. If your vehicle overheats, you'll often need coolant. Cell phone charger and battery pack. Tow strap. Much cheaper than a tow truck, a tow strap can help you get out of a rut or tow another vehicle if need be. The winter weather kit. Although many of these items on this list are not necessarily available at AutoZone, they're good to have these items in extreme conditions where winter weather driving can be very dangerous.
Decide what level of preparedness is right for you. Visit AutoZone or AutoZone.com to get everything that you're going to need. For more tips and advice, like and subscribe below.